Welcome to this V2I real-time Jindabyne user guide. Once the application has loaded, you can use your mouse for the basic aerial navigation. Click and hold the left mouse button and drag it across the screen to adjust the view angle. To center over a specific location, move your mouse to that location and right-click the mouse once. Using these two interactions together, you can seamlessly navigate from this aerial vantage point. To zoom in or out, you can use your mouse wheel or alternatively the slider on the left side of the screen. The menu on the left enables you to selectively display additional points of information. Under the Tags menu, you can bring up regional tags, key destinations around Jindabyne, and other points of interest nearby. These tags can be clicked and you will be taken over to that destination. You can always click the Return to Site button at the bottom of the screen to return back to the Jindabyne region. The Overlays section in the menu contains the relevant 2D overlays separated into GIS and concepts. Under GIS, we find, for example, the red study area outline, planning cadastre information that can be overlaid over the terrain, and other plans such as land zoning, which can also be used with the opacity slider at the bottom of the screen to fully or partially reveal what lies underneath. In the same manner, all of the displayed layers will be shown with the appropriate legends attached if available. Under Concepts, the tourism plan can be shown, again used with the opacity slider as appropriate, with the ability to zoom in to any region and reveal the aerial photography information underneath. Toggling on the photogrammetry point in the menu will bring on photogrammetry data. This may take a while to load due to the volume of data. Once the photogrammetry is loaded, you can explore the photogrammetry dataset just like before using your mouse, with the additional ability to use the ground mode in the top left corner of the screen to move down to the ground and then use your mouse to look around and the WASD or arrow keys on your keyboard to walk around. Hold Shift while doing so to accelerate. In this manner, you can explore the ground plane freely and select the drone in the top left corner of the screen for additional degrees of freedom by using the spacebar to move up, Control key to move down, and otherwise look around and move around just as in walk mode before. At any point in time, you can use the snapshot tool to create a single snapshot that can be marked up using the tools displayed at the bottom of the screen. For example, drawing rectangles, free drawing, and adding text annotations. You can then either save one single image as a PNG file, a PDF, or email out a digital brochure containing all taken snapshots and annotations. To create a video animation from the scene, click on the video recording icon in the menu. Decide whether you would like to include this left menu panel in the video or not. In this case, we would like to keep the menu panel. And then any interaction after the countdown will be part of the video animation. So if you click the recording button once again, you can see a preview of the scene we've just recorded, with the ability to save or discard as required. You can also access a number of measurement tools, for example, the point-to-point or distance tool, which will display the distance measured above the line. If you hover over that number, click it, you will be able to edit or delete that measurement. In the same way, you can use the height measurement tool by selecting the tool, clicking a starting point, and then moving the measurement up or down, or entering a measurement into the field and save to log it in. Use the area measurement tool to measure flat areas. And the radius tool to measure any radius around a center point. The time of day slider can be used for a basic analysis of the movement of shadows across the day. In addition to photogrammetry data, you can also display surrounding LiDAR data, which once again may take a while to load, as well as LiDAR data for the town, providing a similar 3D output to the photogrammetry data. You can use photogrammetry data in conjunction with overlays, for example, the land zoning plan, with the opacity slider to reveal in detail what is included in each zone. The Them Surrounding toggle at the bottom of the screen disables the broader regional terrain. To exit the application, click on the button on the bottom left corner of the screen.